Hi, I'm Angela from Finding Country and you join me today at Trotters, a beautiful 3-bedroom detached barn conversion in Bishops Itchington, a short distance from the market town of Southam. The property sits in a delightful courtyard setting and offers just over 1,330 square foot of accommodation. To the rear is this beautiful garden with amazing countryside views. Let's take a look inside. I hope you've enjoyed the tour. For more information or to arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.